Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is February 1st, 2016. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, looking at this market today, it's pretty amazing, but you again see more volatility. We do have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down around 11.5 points to 19.18 per contract. Again, this is a market that's been like a yo-yo. It's up and down and all around. Friday we did have a big rally. Today the market is giving something back, so we'll see how it plays out. We still are in the heart of earnings season. The big earning announcements will come this afternoon when you have Google, I believe, release earnings after the closing bell. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks moving around. We're going to start the day off here with Nokia NOK. And what you're going to see here is stock is getting hit hard today. It looks like they settled a patent dispute with Samsung. Right now, the stock is trading at $6.35, closed at $7.21. That is a big decline. When I look at the equity right now, I have to think there'll probably be some levels down here for those of you that don't mind playing a single-digit equity. I don't love it. But right off the bat, I look at around the $6 area, even around $5.90. That's the level that gets me right now and says, okay, you'll probably see a little bit of a bounce. But you got to be careful with this name. But either way, around $5.90 does look to be a pretty good support area intraday. Also, trading lower in sympathy is going to be Alcatel-Lucent. Remember, these two are merging. They're almost finalized the deal. And right now, this is trading down around $3.48. Stock closed at $3.49 on Alcatel-Lucent. So, again, we'll see how this all shakes out today. But even right down here around $3.45 or so, I have to think ALU does have some short-term support. And remember, they are merging with Nokia down the road. So, that will be all just one company. All right, let's take a look at Twitter. Looks like there was an article talking about Silver Lake Partners and Mark Andreessen getting involved in Twitter. Twitter right now is trading up at $18.10 a share. Stock closed at $16.80. So that's a pretty good pop there for Twitter this morning. We'll see if that can hold. But either way you slice it or dice it, good little move. And Twitter is being defended this morning and trading higher before the opening bell. So keep that on the radar. There's no levels here that I'm seeing where I would do much with it. But if you own it, just trail that stop loss. See if you can ride that up a little bit more. Looks like Herbalife came out with some, I believe, some earnings there or something. Check out the news for yourself. Right now, the stock is trading at $47.50, closed at $46.21. So good little pop there for Herbalife. That's a pretty strong gap up. Stock needs to really close above $48.25, and then you could see some more upside there. So be a little bit careful with Herbalife at the moment. Let's take a look at GoPro. GoPro stock is trading lower this morning. Closed at $11.45. Right now, trading at $10.98. So was trading even a little bit lower. Not sure what the story here is for GoPro, but again, it's a very tough stock to trade at this stage of the game. You want to be a little bit careful with that one. Let's take a look at HSBC, a bank stock here. Again, this is trading decently lower. Closed at $35.40. Right now, trading at $34.30. I think Credit Suisse is also trading lower this morning. This closed at $17.80. It's trading at $17.18. So we're seeing some of these foreign bank stocks all moving lower this morning, and we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. But weakness is definitely in that area. Just so everybody's aware, I believe China missed their big economic number last night. Again, you can check that out for yourself. All right, there's a lot going on in the M&A world. It looks like ALR is being bought out by Abbott. Stock right now is trading at $54.25. Closed on Friday at $37.20. If you own this, trail the stop loss or take your money off the table. There's nothing you want to do with it now. AYA is another one here. It looks like this is being acquired by a Canadian company for $21 a share. Canadian, $13.30 right now is where it's trading. Closed at $10.56. So Amaya is trading higher as well. And it looks like STR is going to be bought out by Dominion for $25 a share. So if you own any of these names right here, they're all M&A plays. and just trail your stop loss if you own it. If you do not own it, you do not want to do anything with it at this point in time. All right, looks like gold futures are trading up $5.80 to $1,122 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD this morning. See, that's trading right around 107.36, closed at 106.94. Gold continues to remain very strong. I'm not sure we'll see a breakout in gold today, but I like what gold is doing, and it's telling us more upside is in the cards potentially. Let's take a look at crude oil futures down $1.30 today, and that is definitely going to weigh on the market. If you take a look at the USO, what you're going to see here is USO is trading at $9.27, closed at $9.65 on Friday. Spot crude at the moment is trading at $32.30 a barrel. So this could put pressure on many of the leading energy names today. So keep that on the radar. I'm sure if you take a look at a lot of the leading energy stocks, you will see they are coming under pressure, and that will hurt the overall market sentiment out there. So just be aware of that. But if you take a look at stocks right off the bat like BP, stock is trading at 31.16, closed at 32.37. So anytime you see energy down, it's going to weigh on the market. Remember, energy accounts for roughly 16-17% of the S&P 500. And with oil being lower, it's very, very tough for the market to get any kind of momentum or strength in the near term. So keep an eye on oil today, as always, and we'll see how it plays out. If it can catch a bid, that would make the market move up a little bit more. All right, we are back from our trip in the Dominican Republic. So again, if you want to come trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We had a great week there, and we're going to look to keep that going. And we're having a 2016 bonanza going on right now. So we're having a great trading year in 2016, and we're going to look to keep that going as well. So once again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we are doing there. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.